Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. I didn't think I was going to get the live rolling. My phone did not want to turn on. What's up? Welcome in. Good morning. Hope you all love the new update on Grizzology. So far, since yesterday, it has called two winning. It's helped confirm two winning trades. Hopefully, that helps us out. Good morning. Market opens. All right. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I've been hitting the steam room of the morning too, along with the sauna. I love it. I mean, I'm getting used to it. Starting to like the steam room a lot, but it has the opens up the sinuses every single morning. It's only bad part of it. Used to, I just mainly focused on the sauna, which I still would say that's my go-to. But the gym I go to, yes, the email. But I'm building a home gym. Having it built, doing some work myself, but I got a guy gonna build it, and I'm just gonna add a sauna in it, the infrared. I've been in infrared saunas before, but Jadon swears by them. I like a sauna to be hot. If it's not hot, I don't even, waste my time with it. All right, I'm gonna talk to Team Bull. It's almost time for open. 2 minutes till market opens. All right, Team Bull, we have 2 minutes. See if we can't keep the win streak going this week.
Keep it going. Lock in, everybody. That daily check-in, like I was saying. Make sure you guys know if you guys have any important events today, if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling impulsive, if you have anything that could possibly lead you to choose.
If so, to take profit, you can always use code Grizzly, but I sent you instructions, I believe, right? That take profit sends me when I give a free account away. Just follow the instructions. In my defense, I've never had someone give me a free account, so I'm not 100% sure how it works on that side, but nice, Mr. Babar. You see my new addition? 1 second. Mr. Babar, I created a dashboard for Grizzology. Update dropped yesterday, so it has VIX confirmation with delta divergence as well. But we have to have a divergence for the dashboard to activate, so thought you would like that. Huh, that's interesting. DM me on Instagram. We'll talk about it. Okay, Nick. PRVT. For those that don't know who I'm talking to.
trading session has started, baby. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's make some magic happen today, everybody. Let's make the magic happen.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them and drop. And be sure you follow. I go live every morning. So everyone's sleeping in this morning. You all make too much money from the first 2 lives this week.
Gary's got travel preference. So you're stuck with Grizzly Blau and J Dunn trades. And Pay Dunn. No, it's only Pay Dunn after the coffee comes.
I'm ready to make some money. I'm trading some evals today too.
Trading some evals.
Yep, I'm trading my personal and I'm trading some evals today. Trying to get loaded up for after the first.
Bro wants to go into the year funded.
That's awesome, Danny. Congrats, man. And on his first eval today. I'm just watching here, everyone. I don't really have a...
DSL Express is running a bit late.
I don't really have anything close here I'm watching. Do you all see anything here? I think we're going to have to wait on this 15-minute range this morning. Go play off that. Because I don't really have anything for a minute. For a bounce, like 282 area. So quite a ways down around that previous day point of control, as you can see on my chart right here. What's up with Tesla? What is this? Good morning, ZT, Future Fam, welcome in. My chart in front of me is not allowing me to change the ticker. I'm like, what is going on with that? There we go. Had to start a new one. ZT, I haven't been doing the IG lives. I plan on just starting them back. I just freed up my mornings for the rest of the year. Still been live trading every day at market open though on here on TikTok and YouTube, and always inside Team Bull. Good morning. You all see where NQ or ES bounced earlier? It bounced right at that previous week low. That's one of the new additions, the update yesterday. Well, Grizzology subscribers, what's your thoughts?
Or anything
What's
along
up?
those lines?
Oh. You ripping? You better take a trade, Jadon, or what?
Oh no, I was just curious what you're watching.
I like a bounce lower down, but it'd have to be like around 25, 283. Other than that, I just have to wait on this range. Nice, Brittany. You scalped some SPX puts? What's up, Wes? What's Team Bull watching? Anything? Chat, you all watching anything? Appreciate all the likes on TikTok. Nice. Let me know how it goes. Do you prefer trading it in the morning session or later, like the Asia?
I'm taking no trades yet, guys.
Mr. Babar on gold.
Man, that long just exploded yesterday. In power hour, what do we got? The breakout. You're watching screen share. Got the breakout right here. Took the longs, kept stops below this candle, and just.
Not for sure. Austin. Man, there's quite a bit of aggressive selling on these candles. The delta's pretty, negative delta is pretty high, so. Yeah, opening print's part of the new Grizzology update.
Yeah, we're getting some nice selling pressure on these first few candles.
Well, looks like our next Fed speaker's at 12:30 p.m.
Y'all be surprised the amount of people that fall for fake J Duns.
You remember that time that Nate got scammed? Literally admin, and he got scammed by some crypto. Clicked a link and it took his crypto. It was horrible.
Yeah.
I know it's not funny, but
Well, I mean, dude, if you're gonna send money to a fake account, I'm sorry. Like, come on. Hello, this is Jeddan_123. I love to tell you crypto for you. It is kind of funny. It's kind of messed up, but like, if you're gonna be gullible enough to send crypto to a random stranger on the internet, when my bio literally says "Don't fall for scammers," like, I don't know, you probably had it coming. My bio on Discord is literally, "I will never ask for."
yeah, showing bullish divergence. Interesting. Why is my chart like having some issues this morning on this big chart in front of me? There we go. Jesus. I'm trying to look at ES. My charts give me yeah, it's showing a bullish divergence. It says VIX confirmed as well on ES. But there's so much aggressive selling pressure. We are at previous day close on ES. So that was a somewhat of a key level. It's bouncing at. You could have probably justified longs there. This for me, I hate trying to long right above pre-market lows. Or the overnight low, rather. You know? We're going to use the new dashboard for added confluence, for added confirmation, inner key levels. I'm about to make a video today on Grizzology, just breaking it down. A lot of big stuff coming for Grizzology. It's just now getting started. I know it's been around for about a little over a year now, but I found the right people to, take it even further, so. We got one more minute till this 15-minute range, 17 seconds till the range is in, then we can look for a trade.
$8 here.
All right, that ES bounce is kind of smacking right now, but for a scalp at least. I'm not taking any trades until we get out of this range. Waiting until we get out of this range.
15-minute range is in. 5, 10, 15. Okay, boom. There we go. So go. Let's mark out our levels on ES too, just to be safe. Tesla's kind of struggling too. It had an initial move up, then just failed. Then it showed.
Jesus. Have to wait on this candle close and retest. No trade for me yet. I'll let you know if I take anything.
Yeah, I'll wait for candle close and retest too. Volume confirmation, candle close, wait for the retest.
It's gonna be hard to beat the volume on the previous candles.
I understand that waiting for retests and like waiting for candle closes is boring, but your win rate and the size of your win just significantly goes up.
Do you look more for the 1 minute or like the 5 minute for close? Or just kind of
5 minute.
okay. I know you use the 1 minute occasionally. I just curious.
Yep, 5 minute. I do watch the 1 minute, but I wait for the 5 minute closes for very high probability setups.
Yeah, me too. 5 minutes my go-to.
Yep, your win rate just goes up so much, and your confidence in your trades significantly goes up.
Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning. We're locked in here.
Top step down.
Two.
Oh my gosh! Don't give me a heyday. I'm down still.
All right. What was I saying? Yeah, make sure you follow. I'll go live every single morning. We're waiting on a trade. We're 2-0 on the week. So we've had 2 winning trades this week during our live. 0 losses. Not that we won't have a loss, but I'm just saying. We call out our win streaks when we're on them. So. This is a group effort. This is not just me calling out everything. If you have a setup, you want to talk about it, drop it in chat. If you just have a question, drop it in chat. So. And I will say this. I did follow through on my promise I gave to you all at the beginning of this year. I said I'm gonna focus on free game. I said free game is my main focus for 2025, and I haven't offered any paid courses, anything. It's all been 100% free on here, free live, free daily Q&A. So. Top step is down. Telling you, wow, what a bounce. That was a nasty bounce, huh? Jeez. What was I gonna say? This candle's gonna close. It's gonna be a horrible candle. Can't really be short or long. Keep getting distracted. Like 1 million people decided to like message me on all platforms at the same time, I believe. I guess because of the update for Grizzology. I'm not for sure. Oh yeah. Top Step's been having a lot of issues lately. I'm telling you all, go to grizzlytrades.com, Apex and Take Profit, or even Tradeify. You know, that's all you need. No point going back and forth. Check them out. grizzlytrades.com. Just use code Grizzly so you get the discount. And yeah, I don't see why you need any other prop firms besides them. Nice, Jackson. Use code on Tradify. Tradify's solid. All right. I'm just hesitant to take shorts here because we're still above this previous day point of control. We never closed below it, right? Volume-based support right now. We flushed it, but we never got the 5-minute close below that or the 15-minute range. Well, technically, no. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna try to create a trade in my mind. I don't see it clearly, we're not taking it. That was a horrible close on that previous 5-minute. Literally exactly what I didn't want to see.
Horrible. I was saying I'd still be open to like a 70 area bounce, 70 to 80, like, but
I would be open to shorts around 25, 367 area. That's previous week low. We have a fair value gap midline right above that, and VWAP at 382. So, that's my thoughts. What do you all think?
I'm looking for that reject too up there.
Looks like the best area to me, and it's close to that 50% area on the range.
Like that like 370.
I'm gonna start my. If I try it, I'm gonna start my position at 367
Yep, I like that.
because that's previous week low on NQ, and right above it is the midline. 373 is the midline on the fair value gap, and then VWAP's at 381. I like my stop at 394. That's above the fair value gap. No, I'm not in a trade. We're preparing to take a trade if we get to our area.
Got my old man music on. Got my Tom Petty playing. Who is Tom Petty? What? I didn't know what. So you know what's funny is, I knew Gene liked corridos.
ES is still showing a bullish divergence, but VIX is not confirming with it. Still closed right above that. Nice. I'm glad you like it. I can't take a short here because we're above this point of control. We just keep closing above it. The previous day point of control, rather. We're below current point of control, which is right here. Sorry to hear that you lost your accounts at Top Step because of issues. Dang. That's always the worst when it's not your fault. And no, I'm not in the trade. Oh, Ryan, I appreciate you for showing up, man. You're welcome, of course.
ES is currently higher. So now we'll see how this candle plays out and how we react when we get to this 50% retracement. We're at the 50% retracement of the day, so that'll be interesting to see how we react here. From the high point to the low point with our fib retracement tool, we just touched the 50% retracement for the day, so we'll see how we react. Our midline is up towards 70, towards this like 61.8. So let's stay patient. Let's see what they give us here. I know my trading strategy is boring, and Grizzly can trade to be boring, but there's a reason why we hit the way we do. With win rates the way they are.
Let's see if we can get this area we're looking for here. All right. Just waiting on our possible short entry at 367, everyone. 25,367. If we get up there. Just being patient, waiting on a legit setup.
Here.
I'm here. I was muted. I had to check on my dog. Trying to sneak and get into the Christmas tree lately. I am here. Appreciate all the likes, the thumbs up, the follows. We're gonna make 2026 our best trading year together. It took us a while to get these, the way to do these lives down, but we have it down. I think this coming year we can really capitalize, together. Yeah, I go live daily on here for the most part. Can everyone hear me? Still, I just want to make sure.
And Grizzly done went up and rejected the 50% retracement of the day, almost to the dollar, and then dipped down. I was hoping to get up to like that 61.8, which would have been also the middle line for the day, or for the 15-minute range.
Yep, I was wanting higher up as well. We may still get it. We keep pushing down to we got previous day point of control at 283, and we just can't close above it. We keep touching it and bouncing. Our volume-based support at the moment. If we could close below that 283, I'd be open to shorts down there, but not until. See that? Touched it perfectly, then bounced. Literally to a T.
Grizzly, you better be coming to the end of your webinar.
End of year webinar.
The end of the webinar I'm hosting.
Oh yeah.
DOD, better come hang out with me. I would see you lurking in the lives, and you're not around.
Sometimes I just like to listen. I'm that guy that listens to podcasts all the time, Appreciate that, Thomas.
It's hard to pick a direction. It's hard to pick a bias when we have potential.
Look where that one bounced. Right at point of control.
Holding and building higher lows above key levels like we see here.
I'm hoping our dashboard can kick in and give us some help. Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. Live on TikTok and YouTube, whichever one you like the best. I've, this has been a weird month. I mean, even for December, I know December isn't always the best and doesn't give the best entries or whatever, but typically we do have a rally. We just haven't seen it this year. Maybe the last week, maybe next week we have some sort of rally, but weird, weird overall. The dashboard called the move on ES, huh? Yeah, it's still showing it. Check this out.
Trading top step is like trading or playing a video game.
You see the
as
bullish
circle of
divergence
death
at
and
the
disc
top?
back in the
I'll
day.
show you both. Bullish
Well,
divergence
I
plus
might
VIX
crash out on
confirmed on ES. It's been confirmed. The move probably has already happened for the most part on ES. I'm just
Or when
showing
your
you that.
Xbox got the red ring of death. Rip. And you are young. No. Anyone ever experience the red ring of death on your Xbox? Anyone old like me? Oh yeah, I get the red ring, it's over. Lost your soul as a kid. Oh no.
I used to play the Game Boy back in the day, Jadon. You ever have one of them?
The Game Boy.
Yeah.
You never had a Game Boy? Yeah. PSP, alright, that's more acceptable. What about GameCube? You ever have a GameCube, Grizzly?
Oh yeah. I remember wanting the Game Boy so bad when I was a kid, and we couldn't afford it. We didn't have no money, and we finally one Christmas I got it.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
You know what? My first gaming system was a Nintendo 64. I was playing that James Bond game, 007. Anyone rock with that back in the day? Oh, that was a classic. GoldenEye, yeah. Oh man, the Nintendo 64 was crazy. Was it Wii? Oh man, 007 on the Nintendo 64. Yeah, we're taking a trip down memory lane. Wow. We are on. Damn, maybe y'all are right. Maybe I am. I am old. Maybe I am old. Shit. Games were made better back then. I mean, I look at the Call of Duties like all the.
Come on, give us an entry, NQ. Quit playing. All right, that's a good little conversation there. Good little conversation. Any questions, drop them in chat. I know there's random new people coming in here hearing our conversations think we're crazy, probably. It's okay. It's a ticker. It may go without me, but I'm not going short unless we get to here. Or if we get a close below that previous day point of control. And I'm okay at going without me. We're building discipline here. It's just not about trading. We're gonna do this right together. You all can hold me accountable as well. Robert says, how do I fix not showing previous week low? You should have updated Grizzology. I dropped the update yesterday. What you can do is just remove Grizzology from your chart and reapply it.
the close below the 15-minute low on this previous 5-minute candle, but lower volume. I'm personally going to hold off on taking anything right now.
Am I gonna do a Christmas special on the indicator? I hadn't really thought about it. I'm always down to help you
No trades
all
for
get
me right
in
now,
though
guys.
if you want in.
DOD, trade smart, trade safe, staying focused and patient.
I think the code NQ should still work if you want to try Grisology for like half off the first month to
I
see
do
if you
wait
like
for
it.
candle closures. I like volume confirmation and candle closures for month on risk. I had a very nice day yesterday. Made over $4,000 yesterday. So we have CPI tomorrow. If I don't end up finding anything in the first 2 hours that I like, I won't trade. Beautiful things. Core memories of my brother taking me to midnight releases at GameStop, right?
I'm not for sure about that one.
That was the way back in the day.
I don't really care which way we go. I just like us to move. Get out of this little range we're in.
Stay patient, everybody. If we would have had a more aggressive volume on this candle, I may have looked for a retest back up here. What's the high? 342? Retest back up here for shorts.
Stay disciplined, everyone. Let's do this right. No point wasting throwing your money away. Let's wait on legit setup and let's focus on managing our risk together, okay? The P&L will come if we can do them two things. Focus on execution, your risk management. The P&L will follow. Uh-oh. Almost at 10K likes on TikTok. Appreciate it. Come on. Can someone drop my handle on TikTok for Josh?
So I'm going to test a piece of shorts up here. Smaller size. I did test a piece of shorts up there,
YouTube.
guys. It stops above 3.
Jay Dunn said he tried shorts here. I hope it prints for him. I'm not taking it yet.
I got a great fill on that. Kind of move quick. I'm not going to trim any off until we get an aggressive break below 300, preferably like 290 to 280.
Don't you hate that when you get in a trade and call it and it just moves instantly?
Yeah, literally, we're up 25 points right now. It's just it moved really quick. Sorry, guys. I tried to be very exact with it. Come on. If you guys did catch that entry, if you were sitting there ready, you can trim down here at 30 points if you'd like. almost 30 points. Like to see below 290.
I hope this is the candle that pushes through this point of
I'm
control
going to
for you.
set my stops at break even. I'm not trimming, but I'm setting my stops at break even. In case we move back up. So we've gotten almost 30 points. I'd like to see a little bigger move out of this. My stops are at break even. So if we go back up to break even, I will be stopped out. I'd like to see us continue down to like 280 to 270.
Come on, push down for him. I'm going to mute because if we do get this close below previous day point of control, then I will look for our entry. Nothing before though. Do I like Tradeify? Solid, Kelsey. Nice. ZT, let's stay disciplined. I mean, we're eventually going to make a move one way or the other, but we're just barcoding here. I don't see anything that matches my criteria for a trade here. I hope next month, I hope we have the best price action. Just a nice start to the year. Come on, push down for Jadon. Push down. Do it for him. Jadon took shorts, yeah. He'd been in for a second though. I'm not for sure exact feel, but I couldn't take it. Did not match our criteria. Can hear the train. Jadon talking to me? Let me see.
Just about break even.
Hope it rips down for you, man.
Thanks, bro. One trim off, so. We'll take it. Push us down and let us be deceased. I don't want this market to decease.
If you're in the shorts with Jay down, he's got to stop at entry. I would say that may have hit it, possibly. Not for sure, but if you have any questions, ask them. We got some time. We haven't confirmed a trade yet. Good time to get the Q&A going. Definitely is an ugly 5-minute chart. I agree, Jackson. It's okay. I feel like our patience is going to pay us this morning. Appreciate that. Nice, Chris. Hope it goes well for you. You can use Tradeovate with Tradeify. There we go. A little push up here. Yeah, I'm still watching for a possible short up here. We'll see how it looks when we get up there. We'll discuss it in chat. If you all see something you don't like about it, now's the time to discuss it, though. If you don't like shorts in this area here, tell me why. We may just range again here for a minute. Yes, Chris. Contracts are rolled. Should be trading March. Expiration. I'm open to trying shorts if we close below 25,283. With the volume we need to see. Which, and now we're getting this move down. Trash volume so far. Hopefully we get some. This is some of the worst price action I've seen in a minute. For sure. Once we get out of this range, though, it's going to be a lot clearer for us. Yesterday was a decent day for us. We had a winning trade at least. It's not even give us the entry yet. Nothing yet. All right, see if we can get above this previous day open.
Where do we go from here? Honestly, I'm not sure where we're going, guys. I don't love anything.
That's the $1,000,000 question.
Look at this 5-minute chart. This is horrible. I mean, I'm glad we got one win, but I should have a generator. We also have CPI tomorrow, guys. Do you remember that? This is your official 1 hour in reminder to choose discipline over dopamine. Choose DOD.
Appreciate it, Thomas. You the man. 15,000 likes on TikTok. feel like I should apologize to you all for how boring NQ is today. But I assure you, it's not my fault. I'm gonna sit here until we get out of this range. I don't care how long it takes today if you all want to hang out. So. That's right, Robert. They know we dropped the Grizzology updates. I don't have a read on the market right now. It could go either way. Like I said, no shorts unless we close below PO previous day point of control, or we push up to this right here. Two setups I'm watching. I don't like anything. It's just not that I don't like loans. Nothing's confirming. Uh-oh. Could this be the candle? We need some high volume on this. It's got 1 minute. Let's see if we can do it. Uh-oh. Finally. May get her close. Let me talk to Team Bull. All right. Is anybody in trade?
No one's in trade.
Looking for a pushback up around that 283 to 290 area for a short entry.
What are you looking for?
A pushback up to the 283 to 290 area for a possible short entry.
I'll try that with you.
Maybe even like 298 area.
Well,
283 to 298.
I was in the bathroom. That's why I didn't notice. I went to the restroom. Gene was trading.
Oh.
Gene was full porting my account. Wow. This was literally the exact move I wanted to see. I mean, I'm happy to be green, but I wanted to see big green here. I should have just kept my original stop loss. Above that, like, 345. Holy shit.
And what's crazy was the volume was lowering the entire time it was consolidating there.
And I'm free falling.
Wow. Random. Oh. I think Jay Dunn forgets he's live sometimes. It starts breaking out into random singing. He's like, oh, I'm live. feel like that's everyone's worst fear. You just forget that you're still alive, whatever. Start living your everyday life. Live running. Good morning. After being live so much. Yeah, that's true. Well, we're getting a high volume candle here, but there's just no entry. Someone said Oracle News. Yeah, plenty of time for questions. Just hasn't gave us the entry. Excuse me. It says Oracle News. That's what Team Bull Chat was saying. I haven't confirmed, but you all can confirm for me if you would like. Grisology wants to confirm here in this zone. Question is, there's so much volume. Ideally, whenever we approach demand, right? When we're approaching demand, we don't like to see the high volume going into it. I like to see lowering, you know? We have to wait on the candle close to confirm anything, yes. Appreciate that. Yeah, the Grinch is in control. It's about to invalidate this zone, so we don't have to worry about trying to catch a bounce here. invalid. This is my last bounce area I'm going to watch. November was a solid trading month. Yeah. Is my indicator for certain platform. It's for a trading view. Make sure you hit the follow. I'm gonna hang around, see if we get to this zone. What do you all think about the volume on this candle here? The 1031. Low volume, huh, for such a big move. Interesting, we didn't get the volume till this candle. Wow. Death to this candle. I wish I hadn't stopped Jay down out earlier. He'd definitely be making some money right now, huh? Alright, Team Bull. I got one more area I'm watching, and we're approaching it. 25.110 down to 25.074 is the last demand I have for the day.
Sir, you are a brave soldier. I rarely try bounces anymore, dude. I just have been burned so many times, bro.
You like shorts?
I said PTSD, dude. From whenever I try bounces on downtrends, I just feel like I just get cooked. Or I just lose a lot.
I feel like the best demand comes in around like the previous day lows or previous week lows. We're approaching the previous day low now.
Well, literally the second I got up to take a piss, they nuked the market down.
We dipped into that hourly demand I had there. If we flush that 74, 73 area, it's invalid.
What was yesterday's low? 175. We could arguably look for a retrace to like 175.
Yesterday's low on what?
Price?
It's 25.073.
J dump indicator, right? I can see. We'll watch for a retracement back up. I got 45 more minutes of trading.
Everyone better stick around. Don't be leaving. You've been with me this long this morning. We have to tough it out together. We either catch a trade or we don't. But you all gotta hang in here with me. So. I'm just messing with you. If you got something to do, go ahead. Well, it's bouncing. Is that all the bounce? Could be. We'll see. I was hoping we'd get the new dashboard to help us out in this area.
What was that demand you were looking for, Grizzly?
We dipped into it, yeah. No, we dipped into it there. This candle could confirm if we don't get too much risk. We touched demand off this 5-minute candle. And this.
Uh-oh, you might confirm with that volume too. Possible.
There's quite a bit of risk on this candle though, you know? Jesus. 60 points worth of risk. I'm not sure if it's gonna confirm or not. Still got a negative delta of like 2,500.
So we might have just swept yesterday's low and then see if we can move back above it. How's everyone's trading morning been? You guys get up and go piss again. It'll rip down again for y'all.
That's awesome.
Let's call some shorts and
Hold on a
longs
second.
and get up and go, I'm sure.
You said TradingView had an end of year wrap up and your favorite indicator was Grizzology. I love that.
I really thought that was going to confirm for you, Grizzly.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather not though. Stop me out though, and stop us out. I'd rather not take a trade today. If we flush this previous day low, I will be done. I'm not waiting on next demand or a pullback, but by the time we pull back, we could just reclaim and continue up. It's been a weird December, right? No rally, no nothing much.
No, thought Santa rally was coming. One winner on voice so far. Let's we got something. I'll take 40 points on MQ. I did my position dirty down there. That's crazy. Pull port into the bathroom. That's what I should do. Then I can just have Gene come and I'll blame him.
Well, that wraps up the morning. We tried, just no trades. I hope you all stay disciplined with me. We did it right. Most of the time we catch trades, but today's just not one of them days. We'll be back in the morning. Try again though, if you all would like to join. Appreciate you all. See you in the morning, okay?